When you download a Seafarer's resume, a standard template from the GLOAP website is used to create the PDF file. An example of such a PDF file is currently shown in the video. However, there are situations when you need to download Seafarer resumes in another, predefined format. For instance, you might have an XLS or XLSX resume template that needs to be filled with your data or the data of a suitable seafarer. Previously, this had to be done manually. Now, you can use the capabilities of the GLOAP site to automate this process. Thus, to work with custom Seafarer resume templates, use the profile menu item, CV Download Templates. You can use the plus icon next to it to go directly to adding a new template. Adding a template consists of two stages. In the first stage, you select the XLS or XLSX file of the template and set a name for this template. The name is needed to find this template in the list when downloading the resume of a specific seafarer. The next stage involves linking the details about the seafarer provided by the GLOAP site to the cells of the template. That is, defining which data will be displayed in which cell. Data can only be linked to cells that were empty in the template. In these cells, you will find the Choose button. Click on it, and a list of data about the seafarer that can be displayed will appear. You can display any data about the seafarer available on the GLOAP site. If you accidentally output the wrong data in a cell, you can always use the cross icon to cancel the link for the current cell. You can also click on the cell itself to change the data that will be displayed in it. Let's speed up to quickly fill out this template. So, the template is filled. If you have not changed the name of the template or the template file itself, then we do not need to press the Save button. When linking data to the cells of the template, changes are saved automatically. Refresh the page to make sure of this. Changes have been saved. Also, a Clear All Links button has appeared, allowing you to delete the data link about the seafarer from all cells of the current template. We have created our own template. But what to do next? Actually, the same as before. Suppose we need to download the resume of this test seafarer. For this, we press the Download Resume button. And this time, a dialog box will appear. In addition to the standard GLOAP template, it will list all our templates. Click on the template you need, and the download of the XLS or XLSX file will begin. Let's see what we have got. Compare with the template file itself to ensure that the seafarer's resume is created based on it. And finally, let's look at the page with the list of templates you have created. Here you can download a specific template. See how many fields of this template are filled with information about the seafarer, and also, what exactly this information is. And, of course, go to the template editing page.